You are going to love the 2019 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, traction control. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, lane departure warning, cruise control, console, floor mats, air conditioning. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.